Welcome Shemstars. Welcome to the mathematics class. Today we will start a new chapter, chapter 16, mensuration. In this chapter we will learn about perimeter and area of the plane figures. Students, you are familiar with both the terms perimeter and area. Perimeter means the outer boundary. This boundary that you see. So perimeter means outer boundary and area means the interior portion. The colored portion you can see, this interior portion, this is the area and the outer boundary is known as the perimeter. So students, you also know the perimeter of the formula for the perimeter of square, rectangle and triangle. Perimeter of square is 4 into side. Here you can see perimeter of square is 4 into side. Perimeter of rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth. Perimeter of equilateral triangle is 3 into side and perimeter of a triangle is sum of the 3 sides. If the triangle is equilateral triangle, you can also multiply the sides with 3 as the 3 sides are equal. Same ways, you know the formula for the area also. Area of a square is side into side and area of rectangle is length into breadth. Now let us start exercise 16.1. Find the perimeter of each of the following figures. Here students, you can see here it is a square because all the 4 sides you can see it is 22 centimeters, that is equal. So you can even add up all the 4 sides, that is 22 plus 22 plus 22 plus 22, which is 88. Or you can apply the formula formula also. Perimeter of square is equal to 4 into side, that is 4 into 22, which is 88. Same ways here it is a rectangle. So here also you can add up all the 4 sides, that is 10 plus 45 plus 10 plus 45, which is 110. Or you can apply the formula also, that is 2 into L plus B, that is 2 into 45 plus 10, which is 55. 2 into 55 is 110. Now third part you can do it yourself. Fourth part, it is a triangle. So here you will add up all the 3 sides, that is 8 plus 7, which is 23. So perimeter is equal to here 23. Now come to the second question. Find the cost of fencing a square park of side 175 meter at the rate of rupees 20 per meter. Students, here you can see the word fencing. Fencing means outer boundary. Outer boundary means perimeter. It means first of all you have to find out the perimeter of a square and then we will find out the rate. So first of all, side of square park is 175 meters and perimeter is 4 into side. That is, side is 175, so perimeter will be 4 into 175, which is 700 meters. Now here it is given cost is rupees 20 per meter square, means cost of 1 meter. Cost of fencing 1 meter is rupees 20. It means total fencing we need is 700. So cost of 700 meters will be 700 rupees. 700 into 20, which is rupees 14,000. That is total cost of fencing the square park is rupees 14,000. Now let us come to question number 3. Question number 3 is the perimeter of regular hexagon is 192 centimeter. How long is its each part? Students, hexagon means a polygon having 6 sides and regular means all the 6 sides are equal. So the formula for perimeter of regular hexagon will be 6 into side. So here perimeter is given 192 centimeter. We have to find out the length of each side. So we will write 192 is equal to 6 into side. Now we will keep side here and we will shift this 6 to this side. So when we are shifting any number from RHS to LHS or from LHS to RHS, we always change the sign. So here 6 is having the multiply sign. So when it will change its side, it will become the divide sign. Now I'll divide 192 by 6, which is 32. So side is equal to 32 centimeter. Hence the side of regular hexagon is 32 centimeter. Same ways we will do question number 4. A piece of string is 48 centimeter long. What will be the length of each side of the string if it is used to form a square, a equilateral triangle, a regular hexagon? See students, here the length of the string is given 48 centimeter. First of all, with this 48 centimeter string, you have to form a square. You have to form a square and you have to find out the length of each side of a square. Here the length of string means if string is given 48 centimeter, it means the perimeter of square is 48 centimeter. Because perimeter means the outer boundary, here outer boundary is given 48. So perimeter of square is 48. Here perimeter of square means the length of the string. So first of all, I'll write the formula for perimeter of square, which is 4 into side, and here length of the string is 48. So side of the square will be, side is equal to 48 divided by 4, which is 12. So hence the side of square is 12 centimeter. Same ways for the second part. Here the second part is we have to find out the equilateral triangle. So same ways here perimeter of triangle, of equilateral triangle, is equal to the length of the string. Length of the string is 48 and the formula for perimeter of equilateral triangle is 3 into side, which is side is equal to 48 divided by 3. 48 divided by 3 is 16. So side of equilateral triangle is 16. Third part is we have to make it a regular hexagon. So here perimeter of regular hexagon, perimeter of regular hexagon is equal to the length of the string, which is 48. Perimeter of regular hexagon is 6 into side. So 6 into side is equal to 48. So here side is equal to 48 divided by 6, which is 8 centimeter. So here side of regular hexagon is 8 centimeter. Now question number 5. A rectangular piece of land measures 0.5 kilometer by 0.3 kilometer. It means length is given 0.5 kilometer and breadth is given 0.3 kilometer. Each side is to be fenced with 3 rows of wire. What is the length of wire needed? See students, here fencing. Fencing means outer boundary. In the outer boundary only we used to fence. So it means we have to find out the perimeter. But here perimeter also 3 rows of wire. See, suppose this is my rectangular land and here I have to fence this with the 3 rows of wire. Means first of all first row, above that second and above that third. It means we have to find out the perimeter 3 times. 1 times 1 wire, for second time the second wire, and the third time the third wire. It means I have to find out the perimeter 3 times. That is perimeter multiplied by 3. So first of all I'll find out the perimeter and then I will multiply that perimeter with 3. Now students, length of rectangular land is given 0.5 kilometers. I will change it into meters. So I'll multiply this by 1000. So it will become 500 meters. Same ways, breadth of rectangular land is given 0.3 kilometer. This one also I will change into meters, multiply by 1000. So it will become 300 meters. See students, here I have multiplied by 1000 and then I have shifted the decimal. So in place of 3 zeros, only 2 zeros are here. Now I'll find out the perimeter. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B, which is 2 into 500 plus 300, which is 2 into 800, which is 1600 meters. Now we have to find out the wire needed to fence. So wire needed to fence means the perimeter. It means this much of wire is needed to fence once, but we have to fence it 3 times. So we will multiply the perimeter with 3. That will be the wire needed. That is, we will multiply the perimeter with 3, which is 3 into 1600 is 4800 meters. Student, the question was in the kilometers. So again you can convert this to kilometers. For this you will divide by 1000. Then it will be converted to kilometers. 1 0 is cancelled with 1 0. Only 2 zeros are left. So now 2 zeros means you will shift the decimal from here to here, which will be here. That is 4.8 kilometers. Now you will do question number 1 to question number 5 of exercise 16.1. That's all for the day, Shem Stars. Thank you. You can drop your queries on the Google Classroom.